Now seeing you join hands with Jack, the man who respects you and cherishes you and loves you, with unwavering devotion fills my heart with great pride and peace. I feel very comfortable about handing you over to Jack. I know that this will be a good union and a good marriage.
We were young, so in love, we would talk till the dawn, staring up at the moon.
To Jack, I truly hope that you treasure growing old with her as much as we have loved every second of growing up with her. I've always been so grateful to have her by my side, and you two have so many blessed years ahead of you. I love you so much, Stacey, and congratulations, you two.
Lost our grip, nearly drowned. Said some things we didn't mean. Felt the space grow in between. But you held on to me like the roots of a tree. And I still feel the spark like I did at the start.
Jack and Stacey, since our Lord promises to bless those who honour his purposes for marriage and who desire to remain loving and faithful to each other in it, I therefore ask you, Jack, will you have Stacey as your wife, to live together as God has ordained in a state of marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honour and protect her, and forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live? If so, say, yes, I will.
Yes, I will.
Stacey, will you have Jack as your husband, to live together as God has ordained in a state of marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honour and protect him, and forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live? If so, say, yes, I will.
Yes, I will.
Through the sunshine, through the rain, you and I will never fade. 'Cause you are my only one.
It is with great joy to see Jack and Stacey married today, as I've heard many similar stories about my new daughter-in-law, as I have about Jack. Nah, just kidding. Well, welcome into the family, Stacey. I look forward to this next chapter of our lives, of your lives, sorry. This time, I promise I won't be over all the time, okay? This time, I'm more watching from the bleachers eating popcorn, but I'll be here if you need me.
I wish all the best for marriage. I know you love each other very much. That's the centerpiece of your marriage. I'm very proud of you. You've been working hard to build your house, move into your house, and you've got a long way starting life out. I wish you all the best. I love you very much. I'm very, very proud of you.
Very brief statement. I just wanted to say the very first time when I was introduced to Stacey, 2015, it was just after the Peter Pan musical at City Point. I don't know what night it was. We went at least 2 or 3 times that time. I don't know. It was fantastic though. He comes over. Oh, this is Stacey. I'm like, is that your girlfriend? And he's like, oh no, that's just my friend. I'm like, that's gonna be your life. That was 10 years ago, and here we are now. Congratulations. I called it.